Bluehost has evolved beyond traditional WordPress hosting. The company is now building a complete AI ecosystem that includes AI-powered website tools for building WordPress sites, its separate all-in-one AI Access Pack subscription for accessing multiple AI models in one place, and virtual private server-based AI agent hosting solutions such as OpenClaw, Hermes Agent, and GatorClaw. Bluehost's own OpenClaw-style agent hosting solution that simplifies deployment for users who do not want to handle complex server setup. Bluehost also offers other self-managed VPS templates, such as N8N. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to set up GatorClaw for building and running AI agents on a VPS. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. A self-managed VPS gives you a private virtual environment with dedicated resources, including RAM, CPU, and storage. Unlike shared hosting, these resources belong only to you, providing better performance, stability, and security. This is especially important for AI agents, which require stable performance and continuous background processing. Running AI agents on a VPS allows them to operate 24/7 while keeping your files, workflows, and AI memory private inside your own environment. Bluehost offers self-managed VPS templates, making it easier to launch AI systems without advanced DevOps knowledge. Now, let's set up GatorClaw, the AI agent for beginners. To use GatorClaw, you first need to purchase a Bluehost VPS hosting plan. Bluehost currently offers several VPS plans. For most beginners, the second plan with 4 GB of RAM is probably the best choice because it provides enough RAM and performance to run AI agents smoothly while also hosting websites and automations. During checkout, you will see the Configure Your Server page. Here you can choose the server location, hardware configuration, and pre-installed applications. Inside the application section, you can select different applications. They even have Claude code. But for this example, I will choose GatorClaw. After purchasing the VPS and logging into Bluehost, go to the hosting section. Here you can view disk storage, server status, and VPS IP address. To launch GatorClaw, click Manage 2 times. When launching it for the first time, you will need to input your agent name. Then you need to connect your API key. GatorClaw supports API keys from ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek. You can create free API keys for ChatGPT, Gemini, and DeepSeek. For Claude, you need to purchase at least $5 in credits to get API access. The best option for setting up the agent is Gemini because it offers generous usage limits with its free API tier. To get started and set up the agent, the free API tier will be enough. However, if you want to use the agent for research or scheduled tasks, you will need to enable billing for API access. To create a Gemini API key, you will first need to create an account in Google AI Studio. After logging into Google AI Studio, click Get API Key in the bottom left corner. Then click Create API Key in the top right corner. Name your key, create a new cloud project, and click Create Key. After that, simply click Copy API Key. You can also view your API usage so you can easily see when you reach your limits with the free API key. For the free Gemini API key, the model available is Gemini 2.5 Flash. Next, set the password for your agent and choose the level of freedom the agent will have. I will leave it set to restricted. After completing the setup, you will see the chat box. To use GatorClaw across different tools, we first need to connect skills. Let's see which connectors are available. GatorClaw includes GatorHub, which is Bluehost's integration hub for connecting external services. This makes integrations much easier. You can connect platforms like Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, GitHub, Notion, Slack, Discord, and Telegram. CRM integrations include Pipedrive, HubSpot, and Zoho CRM. Project management integrations are Asana, ClickUp, and Google Tasks. E-commerce integrations include Shopify and Stripe. There are even crypto wallet integrations available. I think all essential tools are already available. If you need additional skills, you can click Add Skill manually. You can find thousands of skills on ClawHub, the official OpenClaw project library. GatorClaw is compatible with all of them. ClawHub is a community-driven marketplace for AI agent extensions. However, I think it is better to stay with the built-in GatorClaw skills because some ClawHub skills may have security risks since they are created by users. Bluehost will also continue expanding the number of supported skills in the future. Let's connect the most often used tools. First, I will connect Google services. I will connect Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, and Google Sheets. Simply log into your Google account and grant access to GatorClaw. To configure Google Meet, you will need an API key from Maven AI. Mayton AI specializes in helping AI assistants connect to and perform tasks within other software tools such as Google Meet, Salesforce, or Slack. Simply log into Mayton AI with your email, go to Settings, copy the API key, and paste it into the chat. To use messaging platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, and Discord for scheduled tasks or notifications, you will also need to connect them. To connect WhatsApp, you need to scan a QR code using your phone's mobile app and approve the connection. To connect Telegram, you need to create a new bot using BotFather. After creating the bot, you will receive an API token. Copy this token and paste it into GatorClaw. Once connected, the Telegram bot can be used to receive messages. For example, if you create a daily market research task, the updates will automatically be sent to your Telegram bot. To connect Discord, you will also need to create a bot token. Now let's test a real example. I have already connected Gmail to GatorClaw, and now I can ask the AI agent to send me emails automatically. I want the agent to monitor Product Hunt and send me an email with the latest AI tools released across all niches, including links, use cases, and user feedback. After some time, the email was sent automatically. At the top of the email, the agent included the total number of tools covered and the number of niches included in the report. The email contains AI tools grouped by niche, along with the number of upvotes, product descriptions, use cases, product hunt links, and summaries of user feedback. The email was created very quickly. You can also schedule this task to receive similar emails every day or every week in the scheduled section. Just make sure there are enough credits available in your AI model API account so you can continue receiving your scheduled emails without interruption. Now let's test Telegram automation. I connected Telegram using a bot API. Now I want to ask the AI agent to analyze global stock markets and send me the top gainers, biggest losers, and major market trends grouped by region. After some time, the Telegram bot sent a complete market overview. The report included major global indices, regional market performance, top gainers, biggest losers, and key market drivers. You can also create scheduled tasks and run this report automatically every day or every week. The report is very helpful because it saves me a lot of time. As you can see, Bluehost is becoming much more than a traditional hosting provider. If you want to try GatorClaw yourself, I will leave links in the video description. Thanks for watching.